This is shop talk. That witness mark at the bottom of your bore. It's not your insert. You skipped G04, a one-line pause, and the tool unloaded while still cutting. G04 tells the control to hold position and keep cutting in place for a set time before the next move. That's it. One line. On a Fanuc or Haas, it looks like this. G04 with an address, X or P, and a number. And here's the trap most guys hit. X is seconds with a decimal. P is an integer, and its unit depends on your control and a parameter setting. Check yours before you assume milliseconds. Get that wrong, and your half-second dwell becomes 8 minutes, or a single tick. Now, where do you actually use it? Spot drilling. Dwell at depth. The tool wipes the cone clean, and your next drill self-centers. Boring a blind hole. Dwell at the bottom, and the tool finishes a full revolution at size before it retracts. That kills the witness mark. Grooving. Same idea. Dwell at the bottom of the groove so the insert sweeps the floor flat instead of pulling out under load. Counter bores and flat bottom holes. Dwell or the bottom comes out dished every time. Now, the second problem, chip welding. You're running a gummy material. The chip stops moving, heat spikes, and it fuses to the cutting edge. A short dwell with coolant flooding lets the chip break, flush, and clear before the next pass touches the same edge. Here's the sequence. Cut, dwell, chip breaks, and flushes, retract. Skip the dwell, and you retract with a welded edge. Here's the opinion that'll bother people. Most post-processors don't drop G04 where the part actually needs it. The operator has to add it. And most operators were never taught where. How long? Rule of lathe. Dwell for 1 to 2 full spindle revolutions at your current RPM. Do the math, round up. At 1200 RPM, 1 rev is 0.05 seconds. 2 revs is a tenth. G04 X 0.1, done. Now, what G04 will not fix? Rigid tapping. Don't add a manual dwell to keep your tap from snapping. The spindle and feed synchronization inside the can cycle is what does that. Any bottom dwell is built into the cycle and optional. And don't use it to mask a tuning problem. If your servos are out of whack or your tool's flexing, a dwell hides the symptom. It doesn't fix the cause. If you've made it this far, go pull up your last bore or groove program. Find the line right before the retract. Drop a G04 in. Run one part. Look at the finish. That's the whole lesson.